Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Stratos 2 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. So the Do Not Disturb mode is useful if you want to mute notifications, basically. So let's say you're in a meeting, or maybe you're sleeping with your watch on and you want to mute the notifications to not be disturbed. And you can turn on the mode to do that. And once you're done, you can just turn it off to unmute the notifications. To enable the mode, you will need to wake up the screen. And after you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them will be plus icon. Tap on it. It will enter the edit mode, and here we need to find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which looks like the moon icon. You need to tap on it, and it will be added to the menu, as you can see. And then we can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And if you open the quick panel again, you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon right here on the list in the menu. Once you see the icon, you can tap on it, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon getting highlighted, basically. It changes the color. And then you can press of course, the select button to go back to watch face. Now the mode is enabled and the notifications will be muted. And if you want to disable the mode, you wake up the screen, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, and the mode will be off. You can tell by the icon changing the color and the message at the top saying DND off. You can also set up a schedule for it. So basically it will turn on and off automatically. And to do that, we need to open the settings. So wake up the screen, swipe left to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. And here find the option called Do Not Disturb and select it. Enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And as you can see, once you enable it, you will see all day, which is basically it stays on until you turn it off. And then we have the oh my bad, we need to go back to the settings, and we have the schedule option, and if you select it, it will let you to set up schedule for it. We have start time, so basically the time on which the mode will be enabled, and the end time on which it will be disabled. And we can tap on start time, set the hour, then minutes, okay, and the end time as well. Okay, and now my schedule is, or rather my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 11:30 p.m. and turning off at 8:30 a.m. And if you want to disable the schedule, you simply select all day option to disable it. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.